Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 17, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 20% since we initially suggested purchasing Trump Media and Technology Group 4 days ago. This results in an average return of nearly 5% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot predict the stock's next direction, as it may fluctuate in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 34.61% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 64.38% to negative 34.61%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 27.56%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 93.15% to positive 19.68% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $1.81 and $31.57. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "On Wednesday, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price gained an impressive 11.54%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price gained 11.54% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 23rd April 2025, rising from $23.65 to $26.38. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.30% from a day low at $24.51 to a day high of $26.79. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 58.34% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. And, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 15 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $384.58 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $56.55, and the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 53.35% or $30.17 below the 52-week high, and 66.77% or $53.60 up below the all-time high on 2024-03-26, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, is experiencing significant stock gains, with shares up over 25% in just 5 days. This surge is primarily fueled by positive market sentiment and strategic partnerships. A notable announcement regarding a collaboration with Crypto.com and Yorkville America Digital to launch various exchange-traded funds signifies a pivotal shift for the company as it pivots toward cryptocurrency and diversifies its financial services. Today's trading saw DJT stock rise approximately 10.3%, reflecting strong bullish sentiment. The increase in stock price is also linked to ongoing investor interest in Trump Media Ventures, particularly following initiatives that include retail investment products associated with cryptocurrency. While DJT stock is currently benefiting from this wave of optimism, it's important to recognize that its price remains near its 200-day moving average, which signals caution for some investors. In the short term, this bullish trend may attract further investment, potentially boosting stock prices as more retail and institutional traders seek to capitalize on the cryptocurrency market's potential. However, persistent concerns regarding alleged stock manipulation and previous accusations of naked short selling could introduce volatility. In the long term, the successful implementation of their ETF and cryptocurrency strategies may lead to sustained growth, enhancing Trump Media's position in the financial sector and potentially resulting in more robust stock performance, provided they can effectively navigate regulatory landscapes. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which presents a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $21.88 and $20.34. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the stock has increased by 58.34%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 42 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 46 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach of this level could lead to a decline towards the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. During the past day, the stock moved $2.28 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.3%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.88%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $29.54. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider carried out an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan also executed an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan performed an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $1/10,000 per share. Analyzing the most recent 55 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, reflected in a ratio of approximately 21.232. In total, insiders acquired 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.45, which equates to a decrease of 3.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal that emerged from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several positive signals. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buying opportunity at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have updated our assessment for this stock from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 487 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $25.89. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.